As we've discussed before, there are four states of matter: solids, liquids, gases, and plasmas. We're going to focus on solids, liquids, and the interaction of mixtures of these, which we're going to refer to as solutions. The main difference between these, and the reason that we looked at gases separately than solids and liquids, is that the physical properties in a solid and liquid has the most to do with the intermolecular forces between these. In gases, the distance between the particles made sure that the intermolecular forces were negligible. Here, the intermolecular forces are going to be essential to understanding how a solid and a liquid will interact. What are our intermolecular forces? We have ionic forces, where we have charged particles. We have hydrogen bonding, dipole moments, and van der Waal or London dispersion forces. We're going to get a good understanding of these interactions. Knowing these interactions, being able to look at a molecule or an atom or an ion and be able to predict the intermolecular force is going to help us understand whether something is going to behave as a solid, a liquid, or a gas. The other part we're going to have to look at in this unit is solutions. Solutions are where we take more than one component and put them together. If we think about taking sugar, sugar is a solid. What happens to sugar whenever we put it into our tea? It becomes a solution. The water's intermolecular forces interact with the hydrogen bonding components of sugar to allow the sugar to dissolve. This intermolecular force interaction is essential to understanding how solutions are created and the behaviors of solutions. In this unit, we're going to be focusing on the intermolecular forces, the structures and properties of solids and liquids, how solutions are created, the properties of solutions, and phase diagrams. What determines whenever a compound or element converts from a solid to a liquid to a gas? And how do the temperature and pressure interact to create these phase changes? As with all of our units, this one will build on the foundation that you've created so far. It's important to practice so that you will have the confidence to succeed further in this course.